Hey everybody, I'm Jamie and this is Ross from Tait Real Estate, Realty Executive Saskatoon. Welcome to Thirsty Thursday. What are we making today, Ross?
Today we're going to make the Campari IPA. And so the Campari IPA uses an ale and Campari. Today we've chosen a local brewery. This is Nokomis Craft Ales, and it's from Nokomis, Saskatchewan. They specialize in ales. They've got some pale ales, some stouts, some IPAs, and even some extra IPAs. They've got, you can probably go to just about any liquor store in Saskatchewan and find them. We like to support local microbreweries. So Jamie's going to put in an ounce of Campari. Campari is what?
An orange-based liqueur.
From Italy, right?
Yeah, quite bitter.
Okay, and this will go with the bitter IPA because IPAs are typically very hoppy, and we've got a lot of bitter notes in it. And top that up, and then we're going to put a little splash of orange in it. That'll help balance out some of the real bitter notes from the beer and from the Campari. Probably good, I think.
And I'm making some lemon tuiles to be fancy. That's good.
Okay, I think that's probably
give it a little stir.
Yep. Ooh.
Yeah, I told you I'm being fancy.
Have you ever seen those ones where they take the orange peel and they light the oil on fire?
Yeah.
We should do that sometime.
We could try.
We'll wait, because that way it's like a teaser coming up in one of the upcoming episodes where we light oranges on fire.
Okay. Stir them both up?
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay. We're good to go.
Lemon tuile.
Oh, on that side.
There you
Very
go.
nice. Okay. The Campari IPA.
Cheers.
It's very festive. Definitely bitter. I like that, but I like IPAs.
With the Campari, it's super bitter, but
Yeah. You could probably put a little bit more orange juice if you wanted. I wouldn't, because I kind of like this bitter notes to
yeah,
it.
it's interesting.
I like it. I can tell that Jamie's giving it a 5 out of 10. 6. I'm giving it a heavy 7.8.
Oh, wow.
Maybe an 8.
You're getting up there.
Yeah.
It's not bad. It's
Cheers,
interesting.
everyone.
Give it a try.
The Campari IPA.